Seasonal plant cues become a practical compass for safer trekking, guiding choices about route timing and provisioning in real wilderness conditions. In the opening segment, the narrator explains how leafing patterns, berry ripeness, and moss growth signal changing weather and potential food sources without relying on gadgets. In the middle, the focus shifts to actionable steps like reading leaf color for frost indicators, identifying edible greens that peak in certain months, and using vines for improvised lashings. In the third section, the user learns to plan routes by tracking plant phenology to avoid floods and locate shelter-building resources. Finally, the tale closes with a reminder that observing nature fosters resilience, patience, and smarter, safer adventures.